Welcome back to my YouTube channel USA Historical Coins PK. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of rare US coins, especially the legendary Sacagawea $1 series, and a few surprise treasures that collectors dream about. From the iconic designs and mint marks like D, S, and P, to coins that look ordinary but can be worth thousands or even millions. This is where history meets hidden wealth. So before you spend that old coin, you might want to check twice. It could be a fortune in your hands. Let's jump into the top 3 most valuable $1 and rare US coins you should know about. Top 1. The 1979 United States $1 coin is one of the most recognized versions of the famous Susan B. Anthony dollar series, produced by the United States Mint at the San Francisco Mint in San Francisco. The letter S on the coin is the mint mark that identifies San Francisco as the place where the coin was struck. The Susan B. Anthony dollar was historically important because it became the first regular circulating United States coin to portray a real American woman instead of a symbolic image such as liberty. The coin honored Susan B. Anthony, a major leader of the women's suffrage movement, who spent much of her life fighting for equal rights and women's right to vote in the United States during the 19th century. The obverse, or front side, of the coin was designed by chief engraver Frank Gasparo and features a portrait of Susan B. Anthony facing right. Around the portrait appear the word liberty above, the motto, "In God We Trust," to the sides, and the date 1979 below. The reverse side displays an American eagle landing on the surface of the moon while holding an olive branch, a design inspired by the Apollo 11 mission insignia that celebrated the successful moon landing by the United States space program. Around the eagle are the inscriptions United States of America, $1, and the Latin phrase EPluribusUnum, meaning out of many one, symbolizing the unity of the American states into a single nation. The coin has a reeded edge and is composed of a pure copper center covered with outer layers of copper nickel, giving it a silver-colored appearance. It weighs approximately 8.1 grams and measures 26.5 millimeters in diameter. The 1979 dollar is especially well known among collectors because many San Francisco issues were struck as proof coins, which are specially made coins produced with polished dies and planchets to create a mirror-like finish and sharp details. 2 important proof varieties exist for the 1979 dollar. The Type 1 filled S mint mark and the rarer Type 2 clear S mint mark. The Type 2 version has a more clearly defined mint mark and is considered scarcer and more valuable. Collectors often search carefully for these varieties because the value difference can be significant depending on condition and rarity. Although the Susan B. Anthony dollar was intended to replace the $1 paper bill and reduce government costs, it was not widely accepted by the American public because its size and color closely resembled the $quarter coin, causing confusion in daily use. Large numbers of the coins remained in storage after production, and the series was suspended after 1981 except for a final production run in 1999. Even though it was not commercially successful, the coin became an important symbol of women's rights, equality, political activism, and the growing recognition of influential women in American history. Today, ordinary circulated 1979 proof and business strike dollars may be worth a few dollars, while high-grade examples, proof sets, rare varieties, and error coins can command much higher prices in the collector market. The 1979 Susan B. Anthony dollar remains a historically meaningful coin representing democracy, civil rights, American achievement, and the continuing evolution of United States currency design. Top 2. The 1999 United States $1 coin issued for circulation by the United States Mint. After the production of the Susan B. Anthony dollar ended in 1981, the United States government stopped making dollar coins for circulation because Americans continued to prefer the $1 paper bill. However, during the late 1990s, transportation systems, vending machine companies, and postal services began facing shortages of dollar coins. Because of this demand, the United States Mint decided to produce the Susan B. Anthony dollar again in 1999 before introducing the new golden Sacagawea dollar in 2000. The important detail is that the 1999 Susan B. Anthony dollars were minted only in Philadelphia and Denver for circulation, and proof coins were made in San Francisco. A 1999 coin from Philadelphia normally carries the P mint mark if it is a proof or special mint product, while circulation coins from Philadelphia traditionally had no mint mark visible on earlier dollar coins. The obverse side of the 1999 Susan B. Anthony dollar features a portrait of Susan B. Anthony, designed by Frank Gasparo. Around the portrait are the words Liberty and the national motto, In God We Trust, along with the year 1999. The reverse side shows an eagle landing on the moon carrying an olive branch, inspired by the Apollo 11 mission insignia. Around the reverse appear the words United States of America, $1, and the Latin phrase EPluribus Unum, meaning out of many one, symbolizing the unity of the American states. The coin is made from a copper core layered with copper nickel, giving it a silver-colored appearance. It weighs approximately 8.1 grams, has a reeded edge, and measures 26.5 millimeters in diameter. One major reason the Susan B. Anthony dollar was unpopular was because its size and color were too similar to the quarter, causing confusion in everyday transactions. Even though the government hoped dollar coins would save money over time because coins last longer than paper notes, the public continued using paper currency. The 1999 issue became historically important because it represented the final year of the Susan B. Anthony dollar series before the introduction of the Sacagawea Golden Dollar in 2000. Collectors today often seek $1,999 because they had lower mintages compared to earlier years, and because they marked the end of an era in United States coinage history. Common circulated examples are usually worth only a small premium above face value, while uncirculated specimens, proof coins, error varieties, and highly graded examples may be worth significantly more. The coin remains an important symbol of American history, women's rights, space exploration imagery, and the nation's effort to modernize its circulating coinage system. The 2001 United States of America $1 coin is part of the famous Sacagawea dollar series, a golden-colored dollar coin issued by the United States Mint. The letter P on the coin means it was minted at the Philadelphia Mint in Philadelphia. This coin was created to honor Sacagawea, the Native American woman who helped guide the historic Lewis and Clark expedition across the western United States in the early 1800s. On the front side, called the obverse, the coin shows a portrait of Sacagawea carrying her infant son Jean-Baptiste on her back. Around the portrait are the words Liberty and In God We Trust, which are traditional inscriptions found on many American coins. The year 2001 also appears on the front. The reverse side of the coin displays a soaring eagle designed by artist Thomas D. Rogers Sr., surrounded by 17 stars, representing the states of the United States at the time of the Lewis and Clark expedition. The words United States of America, $1, and the Latin phrase EPluribusUnum are also written on the reverse. EPluribusUnum means out of many, one, symbolizing the union of the American states into one nation. Although the coin looks like gold, it does not contain real gold. It is made from a manganese brass alloy that gives it a golden appearance. The coin weighs about 8.1 grams and has a smooth edge. The Sacagawea dollar was introduced to replace the Susan B. Anthony dollar and to encourage greater use of dollar coins in everyday transactions, but many Americans continued to prefer paper $1 bills, so the coins were not widely circulated. Because of this, many 2001 Sacagawea dollars were saved by collectors. Most circulated coins are worth around $1 to $3 depending on condition, while uncirculated or specially graded examples can be worth more. Some rare errors and special varieties, such as enhanced tail feather versions connected with earlier issues, are highly valuable to collectors. The coin represents American history, Native American heritage, exploration, and national unity, making it an important and meaningful modern U.S. coin.